cotton pads. Let me take one and show you. This cotton pad, you can get it at Walmart or maybe any beauty supply store. I also have this cleansing cloth. I got it from Ross, but you can get some in any other store. So it's like this. They're like baby wipes. And I'm going to show you the different kinds of makeup removers that I use. So my ultimate product, like I'll die for this product, Wet n Wild makeup remover. If you get this at Walmart, never pass by it. It was one time I went to Walmart and I saw it. I was like, let me try it. So I took it, and since then I've never bought any Neutrogena makeup remover, nothing. Like, I've been using this since then. So later I went again to buy this when it got finished, and I came across this one, and I've seen people raving about it on TV. I've been watching TV shows where I see celebrities using it. So I was like, I saw it at Walmart. I was shocked and I bought it. It's a micellar cleansing water, either micellar or micellar, by Garnier Skin Active, all in one. Removes makeup, cleanses and refreshes us. And it's just water, but I don't know what they made with it. It's just water. What are the ingredients? Water, glycerin, and some other stuff, but they're all natural. And when it comes to natural products, I use this one, coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best makeup remover. So if you don't have all these things, or you can't go to the store to buy it, just in case you don't have the time or anything, you can just use your coconut oil to clean your makeup. So I'm going to do products versus coconut oil, then you will see. You will tell me the results. Okay, share this video so people can enjoy. I went to sleep with my makeup on, my face is itching. Okay, I'm going to use dry cloth so you guys don't think I'm cheating. So this cotton pad is dry, this is dry. I'm using half for products and half for coconut oil. Okay, I'm getting more because I'll need more too. In order to clean up your makeup, you need to clean very well. You need more stuff. So I'm going to use this. This is finished, so I just pour some of this into this one. But this is the bottle. It's by Wet n Wild. You get it at Walmart. If you get it, get your hands on it. So I'm going to pour some. You just press it. It has this thing and you press it. So I'm doing half of my face, this product, and you tell me which one cleanses fast, and the other half with coconut oil. So you see just one stroke. Do you see? You see? Just one. Look. You see how? See how magical this is? Look. Motherfucker, cope one here. On here. It took off all the makeup just like with one application. You guys can see. You see? Just one. Okay, let's try the coconut oil with also just one application. Okay, so this is the coconut oil. I'm dumping it in. So I'm giving you hacks. This is what we call life hack or makeup hack. So if you don't have this, you can just use your coconut oil in the house. Okay, so look, you see, look, it even cleansed it down this side. Look, you see? You see? Just one application. You see? Wash it. Hey, just one application. See how we took out all the makeup. So which one do you like best? Do you like the coconut oil or the real makeup remover? So you see the difference on my face. When you use these products, they don't moisturize your face, okay? Even though it cleanses all the makeup, it doesn't moisturize your face. But when you use coconut oil, it moisturizes your face, which helps to treat your face. So it helps to condition your face also. It doesn't just cleanse the makeup. So many times I love to use coconut oil than these products. But if I don't have coconut oil, I use this, and it's the best. This one has oil in it, so when you use it, it's more like you're using coconut oil. Like I said, it's finished, so I just poured this into that, okay? But when you get this, I'm telling you, don't pass by it. Don't pass by. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab another oil. I have to clean very well. So you see, yesterday I was doing editing and I just fell asleep. See how the coconut oil? So that's basically it. I'm gonna lay back down, and when I wake up, I'm gonna do my facial care. I'm tired. I'm still sleepy. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.